keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
A warm welcome to all the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard 1st, Subject English Poem, Unit 2.1, Topic Rain. Students, listen to the sound and identify the season. Yes, students, you are right. It is the sound of frog. And it's rainy season. I know it is your favorite season. Let us listen to a poem, Rain by Robert Stevenson. It is exciting. Let's start. Rain. The rain is falling all around. It is falling everywhere around you. It falls on the field and tree. It is falling on the field where the crops are grown and on the tree. Also, it rains on the umbrellas here. It is raining on your umbrellas too, and on the ships at sea. It is also raining on the ships at sea. Let us recite. The rain is falling all around. It falls on the field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Look and say, rain falling around ship, field, tree, umbrella, sea. Students, name the 3 seasons of the year. Do you know which are they? Summer season, the season where you eat a lot of fruits and drink a lot of juices. Rainy seasons, where you use umbrellas, raincoats and gumboots and enjoy paper boats, making and jumping in the puddles. Winter season, where you use warm clothes, woolen clothes to keep yourself warm and play with snow. I hope you all enjoyed the poem Rain. Keep learning something new every day.